Hi, Phil with Buck and Buck back again with another Buck and Buck classic to tell you about. This is our terry-lined Velcro bootie, a very popular item that's been in our line for more than 30 years, and it was designed for the man experiencing swelling in his feet that needs a soft, adjustable slipper. This really fits the bill. You can say it's made from this really soft, thick, nice, high-quality terry cloth fabric, both inside and outside. Really, really nice to the touch. And it opens all the way down to the toe. You can see it's very easy to just place a foot right in there. There's tons of room inside. Very wide footbed, nice toe box. There's really a lot of room in there. It's got a nice cushy insole, also covered with terry cloth. And then to close, just as simple as closing with that Velcro tab, which can be adjusted based on the amount of swelling that the wearer may be experiencing. Now you can see it has a non-skid sole. It's very durable. That'll hold up and give a person traction, whether transferring or walking, and it will accommodate mild to severe swelling. Again, this has got a lot of room in here, and the cool terry fabric is comfortable year-round. It's really a nice, snugly, breathable, wonderful bootie. It's a big problem solver. It has been for many, many years. We know it'll work for you too.